Hello guys, this is a prototyping of automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. So for example, our circuit is been arranged. This is our motor, and here we have our proximity sensor and some part of the circuitry here. So let me test it. For example, we have let's say here is the content of our sanitizer and this is our sensor. So let me just go by this. Oh, yeah, it is coming. You see, I got my hand sanitized, and once I took my hand off, it is switched off. Damn, this is amazing. Let me try it one more time again. You see, if I get my hand close to the sensors, what will happen? Wow, it's coming. All right, let's check it from the bottom of it. Yeah, come on. That's good. Very nice invention. Though it is pre-existing, but this is just prototyping.